Hey there, people, YouTube. Thank you for joining me. My name is Nate. I am with Paradise RV. We are a dealership in Charleston, South Carolina. Today, I wanted to take some time to go through a 24 Sun Lite Rush 24TH. That is a mouthful, as all RV brands with their models and all that stuff. Anyway, it's a beautiful toy hauler, simple, easy to use, super affordable. So stick with us and we'll go through it.
Okay, as I like to do in most of these videos, I like to walk through the front door and just give you a quick lay of the land and kind of show you where everything's at. So off to the right here you find a good spacious front kitchen. It does have all the necessities I think most people will need while they're camping. You got a microwave up here. Just pop it open really quick so you can take a look inside, see the space and the size. And then moving on down, show you the hood for the range. It does have an outside vent, and you got a nice little light there. You got that glass splash shield, which is pretty standard, and a 3-burner stove. I like these little lights. I always have. They've been making them a couple years now. And then you got a good sized oven right there. So there's plenty of storage, or quite a bit of storage here in the front kitchen. So I'm just going through those right now, opening the drawers and cabinets to give you a good idea of what's available and where you can put your pots and pans and other such items. So yeah, right here is a good farm style sink. It is pretty deep well and it's a good size. I think most people appreciate a good size sink, especially while you're camping. Over here is more storage, and then you do have a little outlet back there. I always kind of imagine a coffee pot sitting back there, or a toaster. It's also GFI protected here in the kitchen, which is, a building code that every builder has. Here you got the propane refrigerator, or it's dual. You can do propane or electric. Tried and true, tested. Down here you got the hard rubber diamond plate floor, which is great for your toys, and then we'll just take a second to show you all the tie downs. There are 6 of them in total on the floor, so 3 on each side. Yep, there's a good little shot of it. And then over here you got a tie down on the wall, and then there's an outlet. It's nice to know where the outlets are on these things. And then there's your other tie down. Moving along, our next stop is the bathroom. So it's technically a dry bath, but you get a skylight and a vent there that you find in most. And then here's a nice little shot of the shower and the shower head. So, and then you got your commode separate and a little light switch right there. Moving through, they give you a little dinette that does fold and can go away and fold up into the wall, so you have more space for your toys. It also has that great big window right there for plenty of natural light. As you can see, it feels very bright and airy in this camper, not dark and dingy. Most manufacturers are doing a great job moving to that. And then up there you can see cabinets and storage. There you got an Everchill 13.5 BTU AC air conditioner, and then you got more storage here. This is technically the entertainment center over here, but you can really store whatever you need to: tools, clothes, camping gear, etc. So they try to give you plenty of cabinet space, as much as the camper will allow. And then you got your TV backer there, I believe a 42-inch TV, so a bigger size TV. And then you got your master bed here, which is also a queen short. It's pretty standard in most campers and folds right up into the wall. I held it there for a second because I thought it was going to fall, but it didn't. Typically they need latched, and there are latches so it doesn't fall. And then walking through the screen area, you got this massive back deck patio. So the garage door does convert into a nice size patio. And then Just oh yeah, it does have this nice Gerard awning out there with a little LED strip. So this toy hauler does have dual awnings, one on the side where you typically find it, and then one in the back garage. And here's just a nice overview shot of the entire toy hauler, looking back through, seeing everything wide open. So we're going to go outside now. So here's a great shot of the front corner. We're just going to go through some of the outdoor features. You can see the nice giant awning there, and then over here, this isn't technically an outdoor feature, but it access it from the outside. That is your Dometic 6-gallon DSI water heater. And you can see your vent for your furnace. They give you a mow ride step, which seems to be pretty standard in the industry, and they are really great steps. You got the Lippert ladder on the go that you can scan and order one of those. There you can just see an outside receptacle and the hooks for on the inside. They give you these fancy designed aluminum tires, and you can see it has the electric brakes on it. And then here's a nice little shot of the patio and that awning from outside rather than standing on it. And then nice little shot of just the patio and looking in through the camper. Alright, so the driver's side is where you're going to find all of your utilities. It does have the crank down stabilizers. You see it does have a cable outlet. Your fresh water is 38 gallons, I believe. That's a 30 amp connection for your AC in there. Yeah, your gray and black water tanks are around 28. That's access to your refrigerator, outdoor shower, back flush, kind of all standard stuff. So there you go. Just a great little toy hauler.
Cool. Thank you so much for joining me on that quick walkthrough. Hopefully it was helpful. Hopefully you learned something. I know I did. Anyway, Nate with Paradise RV, rvparadise.com. Thanks so much, and we'll see you out there.